Om Shanti. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today it is a great moment for us. The day is very auspicious for us, and it is the precious day for the Indians. Those are our great heroes, historical hero. They die, they give, they sacrifice their life for the India freedom, and they have died only to give us the taste of freedom. The day is not only remembered as a Indian Independence Day, the day is also known as the Day of Freedom. The day is known as the Day for Freedom Fighter. To remember freedom fighter, the day is called the Day of Happiness, the Day of Ecstasy, the Day of Glad, the Day of Joy, the Day of Celebration. The day is known as we feel proud for to being an Indian. So in this day, being an Indian, I would like to say the real freedom is known as get rid from our own vices and own negativity like anger, sex lust, greed, attachment, then jealousy, then bringing others to down, showing them to low, everything. One day, if we live from all these things, if we get rid from all these things, then we need to inculcate the virtue, the divine virtue, those the God has given us, like happiness, peace, joy, then purity, prosperity, then the glad, then bliss, then the might. These are the inculcation of the values. Then we can really say we are free from all kind of negativity. Then always have a positive feeling, positive thoughts, positive mindset of that, so that your attitude become powerful. Then this is the real celebration of the 15th August or Independence Day. We should be free from all kind of negativity. So today, we being an Indian, we can promise that in this Independence Day, we will try to get rid from all kind of negativity, and we should connect to the Supreme Soul, Supreme Father, who is the shower, ocean of positivity, ocean of all divine virtue, so that when our soul is get connected to the Supreme Soul, all the qualities, the ocean of all virtue, if we connected to Him, then continuously the flow of positivity will come to our soul. Then we will become this much of powerful that our real freedom we can get observed. So, my dear all divine sisters and brothers, please in this day take a promise that you should inculcate one virtue for continuously in this year. Om Shanti. Again wish you a great Independence Day. Be safe, stay at home, try to remain free from COVID-19, follow all the social distancing marks and hand washing. Then try to continue to do the PRACT course training so that your body immunity will be boosted. Then you get free from corona and any kind of virus infection. Om Shanti.